Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cloud and AI Analytics. Hope everyone is doing good. I'm Vignesh and in this video we are going to discuss the features of BigQuery. So without any further delay, let's get started. So as part of this video, we are going to cover the 9 core features of BigQuery, and the first one is it is a fully managed data warehouse solution. So BigQuery is a serverless service, which means we don't need to manage the infrastructure. Everything will be managed by Google Cloud Platform itself. So BigQuery is a no-ops and a petabyte scale data warehouse services. So what is no-ops? So no-ops stands for no operations, and it is the concept that aims to automate IT operations. So no-ops allows IT organizations to focus on developing code or getting meaningful insights from the data, while cloud service providers like Google Cloud Platform manage the underlying infrastructure. And the next one is reliable. So it is a measure of how well a system or a component can maintain its functionality and performance even when there are faults or failures. So in simple terms, if there are faults or failures in your system or in your service, it will not affect the performance or the functionality of the service. Cloud BigQuery is backed by Google data centers, where Google has hosted its actual products like YouTube, Google Drive, Google Search. So those are backed by the Google data centers, and the same has been used inside Google Cloud Platform as well. And the next one is economical. While using Cloud BigQuery, you will be paying only for what you use. For example, if you are writing a SQL query, the SQL query will scan a particular volume of data. Based on that volume only, you will be charged. Plus the cost of storage if you are creating the permanent tables. And moving on to the next, we have security. So security inside Google Cloud is basically access control, and you actually within your Google Cloud project you will be able to manage access for members, whoever needs to actually have access to your data sets, to your tables, or even to your project level as well. And all the data inside Google Cloud Platform is basically encrypted at rest and also in transport. And moving on to the next one, we have auditable. So all the queries is actually logged as a separate operations, not just queries. Any transaction that is happening inside BigQuery, everything will be logged. And if you are familiar with a service called cloud monitoring, you can actually monitor all those queries that are going through, and then you will be able to look back that as a history as well. And the next one is scalable. This is one of the biggest benefit of being a serverless service, which means you will be able to scale up, scale down based on volume of the data which your SQL query is going to process. So with BigQuery, you will be able to process multiple queries in parallel. To be precise, you will be able to go up to 50 concurrent queries at the exact same time going on at once. And this is one of the biggest benefit of Cloud BigQuery. Moving on to the next one, we have flexible. So with a little bit of SQL knowledge, you will be able to use joins and unions and bring your data together across many different data sets and really break apart those data silos. And the next one is easy to use. So if you're familiar with SQL, you are good in using this Cloud BigQuery. So BigQuery loves when you write excellent and awesome SQLs to get those meaningful insights out of the data. And also another interesting point with BigQuery is we don't have indexes, and also BigQuery supports standard SQL formats as well. And the last one is public data sets. So Google has its own data set where you will be able to explore, and also you will be able to do lots of hands-on with pre-built queries using this public data sets. Basically, with the help of this data set, you can use BigQuery Sandbox, which we have already discussed in the previous video in this playlist. You will be able to get good amount of hands-ons. So these are the 9 different core features of BigQuery. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions or any doubts, please post that in the comment section. I'll take a look at it and reply to it as soon as possible. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to Cloud and AI Analytics. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Vignesh. Happy learning.